Hi, my name is Kunal Makkar. We are staying in Sector 31 in Gurugram. I'm a finance professional by background, and we are a family of 7 people staying in this house. These days, we know we are living in Delhi NCR. We are struggling with really high AQI. So one is to contribute as a society to what we can do and what it is in our hand to reduce air pollution, and that is the way is to go green. Obviously, that's automatic choice was solar to at least fulfill the maximum requirements by installing the capacity at home. So while I was thinking of from where to get solar done, as a natural course you explore many options, and I got introduced to Exolar through someone, and then after speaking with Mr. Girish, I would say that gave me a bit more confidence in terms of his, I would say, execution capabilities, which are most important in this field, and that's how I ended up choosing Exolar. Yes, I think it happened in an organized way. So the installed capacity is 16.5 kilowatt, and for that you need to be sure how you are installing it. In terms of there is no shadowing, there is maximum potential of energy you can make use of, and the design work happened I think very smoothly, and so was the execution. Yes, so the installation happened smoothly. There are always some plus minus a day or two here and there when you are doing such things. But overall, I think the work happened pretty good, and I'm happy with that and satisfied. The guys are approachable. And in terms of subsidy and net metering, I would say that my involvement was not there at all. It was all managed end to end by Exolar. Yeah, I would say so. And I would say at the same time, my aim is to get a good product, and I think here we have done good selection of components, right from solar panels to inverter to cables, and these are the key components. I don't want to be cutting corners, neither I want person to be reducing the price too much, because then you end up losing quality. So we have, I think, at the right price, we have the right components installed. See, I'm yet to see the bill after we have installed solar, but there is an app you can daily see it. It will definitely lead to significant savings, and that's a good thing on the financial part. Yes, it has, and I would say that in our household, looking the consumption and number of people staying, I think we will be saving at least 50 to 60% on our energy bill, and I think I would say that people should also go for it, because it's not only a financial saving, it's also doing something for the environment. As I said, the overall experience has been good. I think right from contract negotiation to designing to installation, and then things don't end up here. I will be associated with you guys because I've also taken the cleaning services and have installed a cleaning mechanism. So I think end-to-end overall experience has been pretty good. I would definitely recommend Exolar Energy, and I think the reason is that transparency, execution, and then approachability. And I think all these three things are really key, that my system runs for the next at least 25 years. It's not a short-term partnership.